I'm Intakhab Suri and you are watching my channel Property Updates. On this channel we describe regarding the properties, we advise and we give suggestions regarding the property and their investments. I'm working in Karachi especially. Also I am working in Bahria town. This video for you those people can't follow Urdu or other language, especially they can easily follow English. So this is the purpose of a video for those person who can follow easily English, and those person who are not especially living in Pakistan, they are living in out of country. So this video this is the purpose to describe the property of Karachi, especially Bahria town Karachi. Bahria town, Karachi, I think the good and reputable builder, reputable land, and reputable property. The many projects in Pakistan, entirely the Pakistan, Islamabad, Pendi, Lahore, and different places, Multan, and Karachi. It has been started Karachi by the name of Bahria town. The owner of Malik Riaz, a good person regarding this property investment, and they delivered. So I think this is best land for you. This is best time for investment. Bahria town is developing, improving, and I think there is no any project, especially in Pakistan, if you visit there, regarding the cleanliness, regarding the roads, regarding the wide road, regarding the facilities, regarding the security, and many things are available, especially best for the foreigners who want to invest safe, because there are three most important matters in business, and it especially in property. First, when you invest anywhere, the property, the land, the status, the anything, it should safe, transparent, and good documentation. So you can find here in a Bahria town a better site. You can follow easily access and information by the website and different sites. So first thing is good that this is the good time as a security, as a proper documentation. Second, the land, if you want to invest anywhere, the property should raise day by day. So I think usually property has been improving of Bahria town, and it will improve, more improve. After certain situation in the Karachi, the heavy rain and the problem of water and drainage problem, and the Karachi different areas is very dirty, very problematic regarding the gas, regarding the electric problem, regarding the sewage system, regarding the water problem, different a lot of problem in Karachi. But Bahria town is good, and the people are moving there, and different families are moving. So it is growing, and it will grow. For your information, within a year, the 30% to 35% the rates has been increased within a 6 to 8 months near about. So you can watch, you can follow. This is a good time to invest there. Third point is that anywhere when you want to invest, especially in Pakistan, the secure, the good documentation, the proportionally rates and ratio should be better, and return should better. And when third point is when you want to sell anytime, easily the property can sell and you can cash your investment. So usually this is a good place for those persons who are not living in Pakistan, and not need you come here. You can invest. You can contact us. We are working there. You can contact and we can give a better deal and better places, better opportunities. And thirdly is very one thing is more important. The after decision of Supreme Court, that there was some problems regarding the lands, regarding the Bahria town, especially in Bahria town, Karachi, but everything has been cleared. The Supreme Court has been taken the decision and verdict regarding the land, the clear land of Bahria town. So they are working on the clear land. It means the stamp of Supreme Court has been imposed. It means you can invest easily. So there will not problem in future, I think. And the last thing is in Bahria town, this is a good access. If you want to travel from Karachi to Hyderabad, this is the only 20 minutes drive, 15 to 20 minutes drive from Karachi, from Tool Plaza, or from Sorab Goat is main roundabout. So this is the 10 to 12 minutes drive of after the Tool Plaza of Karachi if you are going from Karachi to Hyderabad. So this is the Bahria town, and you can watch the videos, you can watch the different information on my channel. So I suggest you can contact me, these numbers of our team, and you can ask anybody that you want to discuss Intikhab Suri. They will give you my number if you want to talk regarding the properties of Karachi, especially if you are not speaking English, Urdu, so or other language. You can speak, you can follow easily Urdu. So I will try to my best. I will give a better information. So please, next time we will meet again on any video, and I request to subscribe my video. You spread my videos, you give the information for more people. They can get benefit in Karachi property, in Pakistan property. I will try my best. Dear viewers, this is the view from Karachi to Bahria town by the satellite. So it is 32 kilometer, and it will take 35 minutes near about, or 38 minutes. This is Karachi. It starts Sohrab Goat. You are watching Sohrab Goat flyover here. This is Sohrab Goat flyover, and the way it goes to Hyderabad, Karachi Hyderabad highway, two big cities. So if you are going towards Hyderabad, then you will see, you will cross Toll Plaza. Then this calls M9 super highway also. It goes to Hyderabad. At the 30, Hyderabad is near about more than 100 kilometer, 140 kilometer. But this place, Bahria town, this is near about 32 kilometer from Karachi. So this is the point. You will see here. You can watch the main gate of Bahria town. So this is the Bahria town. It starts from M9 main highway, and this is Bahria town. So this is the location. You can watch yourself also from Karachi to Hyderabad, or Karachi to Bahria town. Only 35 or 40 minutes near about from Karachi to Hyderabad. So this is the map by Google. Okay, thank you very much.